In this video, we're going to talk about vocabulary. The vocabulary we're going to talk about today is multiple, least common multiple, factor, and greatest common factor. So the first vocabulary word we're going to talk about today is multiple. And a multiple is the product of a given whole number and another whole number. And I marked multiple even though it is a review vocabulary word because we learned it in the previous unit. So you'll see down here the vocabulary words that have an asterisk next to it are just a review. Okay, but they still need to be included in your notes. So the multiple is the product of a given whole number and another whole number. And then a least common multiple would be the least multiple that two or more numbers share. So that's a new vocabulary phrase for us, least common multiple. Then I separated these because multiple and least common multiple go together. They're connected. Then we have factor, and factor is another reviewed vocabulary word. And a factor is one of two or more whole numbers that multiply to get a product. So the factors for 9 times 3 is 27 would be 9 and 3. So those are the factors we multiply together to get the product. Then we have greatest common factor, and this is a new vocabulary phrase this year. Greatest common factor is the greatest factor that two or more numbers share. So it's the greatest factor that two or more numbers share. So that's the vocabulary that we're going to be using this week. And let's go ahead and do some examples of each vocabulary word together.